Hello, it's Alex Stanley Stretch, the Marketing Coordinator at Hoffman Nursery. Thanks for joining us for our Solving Regional Problems with Plants series. I'm joined again by Jessica Hall from our sales team as she takes a look at several plants that solve problems in the coastal South. If you are interested in seeing our full regional plant list, there will be a link in the description of this video. It's also available in our catalog and on our website at hoffmannursery.com.
Thanks, Alex.
Yeah.
Erosion is a common process that occurs along the coast. Rising sea levels and storm surges also add to the problem, as well as damaged reefs and barrier islands that protect the land from the sea. Living shoreline restoration is necessary to mitigate the human-built structures on our shores and replenish the ecosystems that are a natural part of this cycle. Coastal wetlands are like sponges and are excellent at absorbing floodwater and buffer waves and storm surges. Dunes are vital to habitats and help diminish shoreline erosion. By using green infrastructure to create dunes, we can eliminate the need for expensive seawalls and provide nesting habitats for a number of coastal species, like the sea turtles, gopher tortoises, shorebirds, snakes, lizards, insects, and small mammals. Ammophila breviligulata is a hardy grass that grows on the beach and is native to eastern North America. The shore is a difficult area to live in with xeric conditions, high winds, high salinity, and extreme temperature changes. American beachgrass builds dunes by anchoring shifting sand and is adapted to these conditions. It has thick, shiny leaves that prevent water loss and reflect light. The thick cuticle on the leaves prevents water loss. Its underground stems, known as rhizomes, crawl under the sand to anchor the plants. It has a symbiotic relationship with the underground fungi and mycorrhizae, where the fungi decompose the organic matter and make it available to the plant. The mycorrhizae then benefit from the plant's carbohydrates that are produced from photosynthesis. American beachgrass grows to about 2 to 3 feet tall with the blooms and has beautiful ornamental seed heads and can handle the tough conditions of the beach. It is also highly ornamental with its shiny, strap-like leaves that turn a golden color in the fall. Ammophila is not just for the beach, but can stabilize embankments and steep slopes with ease. This evergreen fast grower can spread 6 to 10 feet per year. The coastal South faces many environmental threats, such as loss of habitat and extreme events. Hurricanes and other storms can destroy wetlands through flooding and erosion. Since about half of the population lives along the coast, the demand for infrastructure is much higher. These developments affect habitats by degrading our coastal rivers and bays, allowing excess runoff to cause algal blooms, which can lead to dead zones, and polluting the soil and waters with excess nutrients and sediment. One plant that performs well in the heat and humidity is Elliott's lovegrass. Eragrostis elliotti has beautiful silver-green, silvery foliage and light, airy panicles. Native to the southeastern coastal plain, it handles high heat and tolerates drought and temporary inundation. Elliott's lovegrass attracts pollinators, and birds eat the abundant seeds. As a ground cover, the plant provides cover to small mammals and invertebrates and is a larval host for the skipper butterfly. Through evapotranspiration, plants can cool the surrounding air and sequester carbon. They help to prevent the heat island effect by lowering the temperature of paved surfaces, anchor the soil, and help remove pollutants. Coastal flooding occurs when floodwater moves inland and covers low-lying land. It's becoming more frequent and is most common on the East Coast. Rising sea levels contribute to flooding and allow salt water to inundate our groundwater aquifers and estuaries. Wetlands such as salt marshes, oyster reefs, and seagrass beds absorb wave energy to help to buffer the land. Restoration of the marshes are among the most cost-effective solutions to provide solutions to coastal flooding. Spartina bakeri is a large perennial marsh grass native to the southeast. It grows in aquatic and semi-aquatic habitats, and it's highly salt tolerant. It can be used to control erosion and is perfect for low-lying areas that are sometimes inundated with floodwater. Cordgrass can help to mitigate the effects of stormwater flooding and reduce sedimentation. The leaves of this grass are rolled, giving it a fine appearance like a rush. Cordgrass is an evergreen bunching grass and is a fast grower. It has been gaining popularity in recent years for its reliability and low maintenance needs, as well as the architectural texture it provides. It serves as a habitat and protection for countless insects and small animals by offering food and nesting material.
Thank you so much, Jessica, for this great presentation on the Coastal South. And thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the email address on the screen, follow us on social media, and check out our website at hoffmannursery.com. Until next time, thanks and goodbye.